Let's look at this question. A quadratic function fx attains its minimum value of minus 15 at x equal to 3. If f0 is equal to 5, find the value of f9. Standard form of a quadratic expression is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So if f0 is equal to 5, effectively they are saying c is equal to 5. Also, you attain your minimum value at x equal to minus b by 2a. So 3 is minus b by 2a, or b is equal to minus 6a. b is equal to minus 6a. So this expression now reduces to ax square plus uh, not plus minus 6ax plus 5 is equal to 0. Now at x equal to 3 we attain a value of minus 15. So 9a minus 18a 9a minus 18a plus 5 is equal to uh, minus 15. Okay, so minus 9a is equal to minus 20, or a is equal to 20 by 9. A is equal to 20 by 9, which should give me b is equal to minus 6 into 20 by 9. This is 3 now, this is minus 2 now. B is equal to minus 40 by 3. So my final expression is 20 by 9 x square minus 40 by 3 x plus 5. We have to find out the value of f9. Put 9 here. 20 by 9 into 81. Cancel 9. Minus 40 by 3 into 9. So cancel 3 plus 5. 180 minus 120 plus 5. Our final result 65, which should be option A.